Hi everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a premium luxury residential development in Hyderabad. The project we are exploring today is Brigade Manor, developed by the renowned Brigade Group. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with the project overview. Brigade Manor is a premium residential enclave located on Ashok Marg in Moti Nagar, Hyderabad. The project is being developed by Brigade Group, a trusted real estate brand with nearly 4 decades of experience and a strong reputation for delivering quality developments across India. The project offers thoughtfully designed luxury 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences spread across 4 residential blocks A, B, C, and D. What stands out here is the combination of contemporary architecture and elegant design. The homes feature efficient layouts that maximize space utilization while ensuring a comfortable and practical living experience for residents. Brigade Manor also focuses on sustainable and green living, and the Brigade Group has set a vision of achieving a net zero carbon footprint by 2045. So, if you are looking for a premium urban lifestyle that combines comfort, convenience, and a long term investment potential, then Brigade Manor is definitely worth considering. And now, let's talk about one of the biggest advantages of this project is its location. Brigade Manor enjoys a strategic location in Moti Nagar, offering excellent connectivity to Hyderabad's major business hub, metro stations, healthcare facilities, and entertainment destination. Eragata metro station is approximately 10 minutes away from the project, while Sanat Nagar can also be reached in around 10 minutes. Jubilee Hills is located approximately 20 minutes away for healthcare needs. Both Yashoda Hospital and NIMS are within a 20 minutes drive. Brigade Manor offers everyday convenience for professionals, families, and regular commuters alike. And when it comes to the lifestyle, Brigade Manor has been designed to offer a complete luxury living experience through a thoughtfully planned range of amenities. Residents can relax and unwind at the swimming pool with a deck, while fitness enthusiasts can make use of the fully equipped gym as well as outdoor gym. For sports and recreation, the project includes a badminton hall and an indoor game zone. Overall, Brigade Manor has been planned to create a perfect balance between fitness, leisure, and social interaction and open green spaces, helping residents enjoy a well-rounded lifestyle. And now let's take a look at the configuration and pricing. So the 3 BHK Lux with the carpet area starting from 2070 square feet to 2080 square feet, and the starting price is 2.25 crore rupees onwards. 3 BHK Grand with the carpet area starting from 2200 to 2450 square feet, and the starting price is 2.40 crore rupees onwards. Talking about the 4 BHK Lux, so it is starting with a carpet area of 2600 square feet to 2700 square feet, and the starting price is 2.90 crore rupees onwards. And talking about the 4 BHK Grand, which is starting with a carpet area of 2900 square feet to 3170 square feet, and the starting price is 3.35 crore rupees onwards. And also please note that these are special pre-launch prices and do not include government taxes, registration charges, or stamp duty. The apartments are designed with a spacious living room, premium fitting, large balconies, and modern layout to deliver a truly luxurious living experience. And now let's talk about the booking process. So Brigade Manor is currently in its pre-launch phase, and limited time early booking opportunities are available for interested buyers. For brochure, pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium luxury property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.